Okay, this is how we're going to program a new key, or if you have a lost key for your Toyota or Scion car, this programming will work for all those vehicles. This is the original master key. This car came with only one key. If you need a second key or an extra key, you can buy these online with the remote control, the door lock control, keyless entry pad, or you can buy just a regular chip key that does not have all those functions. It will still start the car, unlock the doors, and so forth. If you do not have a master key, this will not work. You have to have the master key, and the way you know you have a master key, obviously it starts your car, but you can see the security light here that flashes in the car at all times when the key is out. As soon as you insert the master key, the light will stop flashing. That's how you know you have the master key, and you will need the master key to program a second key. Procedures are as follows. Take the master key in the ignition, push it in and remove it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th time you leave the key in the ignition. Then you'll open and close the driver's door 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove the master key. Notice the security light comes on solid. Insert your new key that you want to program into the ignition, and you wait for 60 seconds. This light will flash for 60 seconds. When it stops flashing, the key is programmed. If it does not stop flashing, the key is not programmed. You may not have the right key. But if you wait for 60 seconds, the light should stop. Once it's stopped, we'll verify that it was programmed. Longest minute ever. And the light is continuing to flash after 60 seconds. That means that one of two things: either the key did not program, or the key in this case has already been programmed, so it's not going to reprogram it a second time. But when it does program, this will stop flashing after 60 seconds. You remove the key, takes it out of programming mode. To verify that this key has been programmed, as you see the lights flashing, once you insert the key, the light stops flashing. That means that key is programmed. The reason, like I said, that it did not stop flashing is because it had already been programmed. We had programmed it previously. But that's how you program the key in any Scion or Toyota vehicle. Once the key's been programmed, you can take it to your local hardware store and have it cut. This whole process might cost you $10 instead of going to the dealership and paying hundreds of dollars to have this done. Thank you for watching. Hope this video has been helpful.